So today I actually managed to get home early, and then I got distracted with some shenanigans. I'm not distracted anymore. Let me just put it on my Discord server. So today I'm with something different. I decom stream. I want to work on some automation. It's the gamer. Looking at some messages that I posted. Where the fuck did I put that message? And make so. Alrighty, so I don't know if nmake is on my PC, but hopefully it is. So let me show what I mean. Open terminal, yeah. So nmake, no it isn't. Oh wait, I have something dumb like this, right? Oh yeah, this thing, okay. This is quite interesting. Yeah, okay. It's exactly something like this. So nmake -file spider.mac. Yeah, this one. Should build everything. Oh, I'm building in debug mode though. Uh, hmm. Does the game even build? Maybe it's because it's in. It builds. So I wanted to build this version. Oh, I know exactly what. Okay, I forgot to include Spidey Deer. Yeah, my bad. So I need to do Spidey Deer equals no, it should work just fine. Nope. So I have what I want here. Why is this not working? Scheiße, I forgot. Oh yeah, I think I can do something like this. Oh, fuck off, man. Why is nmake being goofy now? Okay. Syntax. Bro, I remember that I did this a while ago. DirectX, okay. I'm so confused. Why does this instantly quit? Okay. Okay, it's cleaning. Oh, it's already built. Ah, okay. That's my God, it was confusing the hell out of me. Oh, it worked. Okay, that's because I only changed the release one. Okay, so on the release one, I added this SpideyDeer thing, which will just be like the current directory. I should know how to use this shit. So let me install Wine. And let's take a look at something else. It's Gigabyte. Jesus Christ. Let me grab something. Decomp me compilers. Yeah, okay. Here there MSV. See, why commits? Maybe if I do no, it was way too much. Nah, okay. I just want to look at the file. Maybe I can just press here, whatever. Oh, fucking heck, man. No, okay, fuck off GitHub. GitHub is amazing. I love GitHub. One of those things that just keeps on giving. So they download from like releases something. They delete MFC, like the psychos they are. And yeah. The hard part is that I'll need to set the wine prefix to work on it. Because wine refer Linux path. Oh wait, load, for fuck's sake. Ubuntu forums is so... It's the Z drive, yeah. Come on, man. Wine, Z drive, I remember I've seen something. I'm just afraid that with Ubuntu, they might just set up the wine prefix for you. Wine is not isolated from your system. Okay. I Oh my fucking God. Do I need to ask ChatGPT because what is wine Z drive? What is it? Is it mounting the root of the file system? Yeah, okay, it is. Okay, thank you. Okay. And wine prefix, I just need... I think it's the start of C. What is wine prefix? Yes, let's just fetch this. Okay, now it's actually installing. Okay, I'm doing multiple things at once. I think I've already downloaded this, but... Oh, wait a moment. I need to pick up a... So, I was just checking these things. Relative path names, yada yada yada. So I'm creating this thing. I like how it makes my YouTube music slightly stop for a second. I'm including MFC. Oh, okay. So, where should I include, or should, I'm getting random people. Okay, whatever. Okay, good. Spidey VS. Visual Studio binaries. Yeah, I don't need anything. I just need to create a repository. And can I make a release? Yeah, I can. Okay. Here are the binaries for host 26. Oh, I need to create a tag. That's cute. I think it won't work because I don't have a... I think this is eating shit now because it's like, oh, I cannot tag. Ah, fuck. Man, this is what man, GitHub, man. Okay, so let me just do this, right? cdtmp, make dir stf, good. Yeah. So touch, actually, hi, readme.md. Need to do this. Git push. Git push origin master. Huh? Oh yeah. Git commit first. Okay, I didn't have a commit, that's why it was confused. Okay, create new release. Of course. Now I can create a new tag. This is such a bug on their end. And then people are surprised that GitHub is abused. And I'd say that this is fine. This is probably... I have the slowest internet upload speed of all time. I mostly have download speeds because of reasons. Very nice. So this is the link. Ein first command. Man, ChatGPT's. So I'll need. So what I want to do is go to my wine init or wine CFG. I think it's wine CFG, right? It looks like you should install it. What the fuck? Why is this doing shit that I did not ask it to do? Incredible. Okay. So I can set wine arch to. I know these things from heart because, you know, it's not. Of course, Google is now useful. What is it? So, export wine arch. Okay, here's drive C. So, so there's this single file that I call boot. I don't know how much of it is needed, so let me try to run it again without that. Spite decomp and make. What is going on? File and make. File and make not found. Okay, let me just delete this bottom two and try again. Oh, wait. This is one of the stupidest things that I could have done. Okay. CS Studio. Okay. Okay, so just delete that. Take this. Let's start put again. Spite decomp. And help. Help. Okay. So I just need to think about if I want to run, you know, a wine script that does this for me, how would I do it, right? Okay. And zip extract to there. Direct. How to extract the zip file to a specific directory. And zip temp for zip extract. Okay. Allegedly speaking, I went here, TMP of course, and it double get here, should be quick, and zip spite vs to wine drive C and to vs. What? I have no unzip. So do apt install. This is 1984, literally. Oh, fuck. Great. Why? Wine, drive C, VS. Okay, this looks good. What the fuck? Wine 32, okay. Sudo apt install wine 32 wines i386. Oh my god, it's even bigger than wine 64. Do I even need wine 64? This is goofy. Why is this so fucking big? Maybe I don't need a gigabyte of space for all of this shit. But okay. Wine versus wine 32. Wine 32. Okay. Okay. Wine arch set. Huh. Set, but okay. Wine arch set to. How do I? Wine prefix. It's a shit one. This is fine. Wine. Can just do this and 150. And why does this start this shit? Okay, cool. Very nice. So now I can probably just go to here and zip. So wine drive C VS bin. Perfect. So we know that this runs perfectly. So what do I need to do? Can I just, Okay, I guess I'll need to do some trial and error, right? So here, can do git clone. Like a true alpha male. Let's go. Wine, vs bin, and make. So now I'll need to copy this bullshit. Let's see how far it gets. Make file target not specified. That's true, that's true. Spider.mac. I think the problem is that and make needs to be can't recognize. Yeah, that's true, that's true, that's true. CMD. Fine, CMD. And make. This is interesting. This is interesting. Hello? Can I exit the CMD piece? Wait. Exit. Ah, perfect. So the CMD looks like it's really good. Test. But so here I'll replace users, crystal, documents, spidey, decomp, everything just with no, and Microsoft Visual Studio. Oh yeah. I only need one of them, which is I only need this. True. This is the only one that matters to me. Okay. And then I can do and make. So see that this should be enough for this to work. So spider.mac cfg spider and 32 release. So wine cmd test.bat. No. Okay. Wine run batch file. Bat file from bash shell. Yeah. Exit. Wine cmd. Test.bat. Let's see an invalid. Wine 32. What? I don't see the problem here. Maybe I'll need to. Ah, okay. It's building. Woohoo! Nice, 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 nice. Don't. Oh wow, it's so slow. It's only using like a single. Yeah, okay. This is what I expected to get. And I'll get the Spidey Deer and do the. Okay, perfect. Now, in the whole translation rigmarole, Spidey Deer equals C Spidey decom. Just this. No, whatever. I'll just try to run it again. It's quite slow. I don't know why, but whatever. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. And it is finished. So, release wine spider exe. Oh, can you see this? I'm running it on wine. Wow. This is the greatest day of my life. Let me just yank this one. Okay, let me just take that fucking notepad out of the background. Now I just need to see GitHub action setup wine. This. Okay, I want to see whether there's like any gotchas. And prefix. Yeah, perfect. The test.bat, I can probably rename it like build.bat. And it will be perfect, man. I'm actually excited. Oh yeah. Really nice cat test.bat. Actually, oh fuck. I'll just do it again. Taking a while to delete. Like I'm going like through virtualization through, but still I expected it to be a little faster. Okay, but if I run the build again, like from start to finish now, right? It should just work like perfectly. No. I saw something cool. No. Executable, okay. Can do wine cmd executable equals release spider.exe. What the hell? No, it doesn't work. Wait, wine. It's just this. Ah, great. Oh yeah, true. It's called test.bat. Looks a little faster though. Just slightly fast. A little, but yeah. Alright, yo. I'd say that this is good enough to put on my beautiful pipeline. And wine release. Okay. Wine run Windows console app in terminal. I don't want it to create like a doesn't running Windows from the command line. I want to run something inside the terminal, you know, instead of creating it. That's a thing that I don't know. Why does this happen? What? And I think if I do like release spider, it might run because you know. Oh my god! Look at this. It's running through so many layers of goofiness. Oh yeah, yeah. Without the GUI. Can I do that? No GUI? No. Oh wait. Wine release spider that is no GUI. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT because it might know. Oh, maybe I know why, because that console that I have, I think I allocated. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Never mind. Okay. I think I have everything then. So I just need to do cptest.bat, mntc users crystal documents, spidey decomp, and copy to and set it as build.bat. And now do the same, but with clean.bat. Clean, but call it something different. I call it clean.bat. Okay. Now, now actually go there to do the work. Okay, git diff. Git commit, git add Windows build scripts. One of the most annoying parts about GitHub that I wish there was like a simpler way to fix it will be like to like old win. Like in order to validate this, I need to rerun the thing multiple times, and it's kind of runs on. Okay. Oh yeah, why am I doing it on Linux if Windows? Okay. Do I? Yeah, I was preparing it to run on Linux, but actually, I'd say it's fine to run it like this. Uh, for one simple reason. Um, does set local work? Set local. Runs on. Is there a reason? Latest. Like Linux stuff tends to be faster. But not by much though. Hmm. Uh, should I run it on native Windows or? Like setting up, yeah, that's the thing that I didn't think. But yeah, like code spaces, it does need like wine and stuff, but not okay. Maybe I can run this on Windows. You know, the scripts will work on Windows and Linux. It's not a big deal. But yeah, okay. Maybe I can build Oldwin on Windows just for check out before. Yeah. Check out before set path. I want to output a very specific repository. Persist path. Relative path on there to place the repository. Relative? No. GitHub actions. Check out to specific folder. Okay. Sparse checkout. Maybe I can just run it. Yeah, okay. Not big deal. I can actually validate this, right? Oh, but I don't have VS. The paths are cooked. Not by much though. Yeah. I know that like Windows hates this, but hypothetically speaking, right? Let's just do a yes here. It's because Windows hates this doesn't mean it's wrong. Oh, now actually it's now just have like sped decomp. Should I just push it? Yeah, sure. Why not? Term git status git push. I just want to download like the latest one. What? Windows fucking... My god, modern Windows is fucking autistic, man. Create a new folder and it instantly jumps to... Like, I have no idea, man. I really hope that the people that work on Windows all get fired. Thank you, man. I think I've reached like 2 months ago, to be honest. But man, Windows 11 aggravates me. It's a shame that Windows 10 will become out of support later this year. I think it will be like the 14th of October or something goofy like that. Okay, let's see if this works, right? Let me do build.bat. Oh, it's working. Oh my god. Tell me that this is not the greatest thing of all time. It's a little slow. It's also... link. Fatal error. Cannot open. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck are you talking about, man? Clean.bat. Okay. I've never seen that error in my life. Link. Okay. Oh! No, that's not the cause. Cannot open input file. Kernel. Fucking heck. Really cannot open that? Why not? It should be. Oh wait, am I missing a folder? I think I am. Bin include MFC. Where are the libs? Yeah, where the heck is lib? Uh, tu, 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 tu. Yeah, where the fuck is the lib folder? What? Wait, did I copy the... Oh yeah, this is the wrong one. Yikes. Fuck. Fuck. I didn't notice it was the wrong one. Yikes, yikes, yikes. So I just created a repository just for this. Spite decomp vs. So, okay. Yeah, okay. I'll need to download this one. I didn't need to download, but okay. That build.bat was the trick. Brother in Christ, fucking Windows Defender scanning the files just hogs the Google Chrome. It's so weird, man. Like downloading anything on modern Windows, unless you like encrypt the files to make it not. Yeah, especially that shit sucks. My PC installed that shit even, and that instant performance issues. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell is going on with Microsoft in that regard. It's weird. It's not like I feel bad for large corporations being idiots, but at the same time, it's literally one of everything was made for Windows, and yeah, things for PC. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, I'll use this one. Yep. Okay, good. Clean.bat. Build.bat. Yeah, I'll just build it on Windows. It's a little smarter than the wine bullshit I'll leave to the code space. Ta-da! And then I can do a release spider.exe. Ta-da! And it works beautifully. Okay, so the only change that I would probably do is go here to spite decomp to build.bat and then whatever.bat, like set local. Set local. It reminds me of the first script I created, man. I remember spending afternoons creating batch scripts with cool menus. That's so cool. I want to keep the changes all local, so build.bat. Ah, beautiful. So let me try to do the same thing on Mr. Linux, right? cd spite decomp. Crystal Gamer spite build up. What? Oh yeah, I have test.bat here. Set local. And here I can do wine cm. Okay, I can do wine cmd test.bat. Should just work. Ah, beautiful. It's a little slower, but it gets the job done. Yeah, I'll use Windows to build the new old stuff, whatever. and save some time. So wine export. Alrighty. Okay, this looks good. Actually, once I did the CTF, which was quite cool, which was called Angry Defender or something like that. It was about abusing Windows Defender to leak information. I was completely off. Wait, how am I going to make it download files? Oh wait, Windows, the image download. How can I download stuff? Downloading files from GitHub. GitHub Actions Windows. Chocolate. Okay, makes sense. Okay. Windows image. Okay. Whatever. So let's just use this one. And the thing is that how to unzip an image. GitHub Actions, unzip. Okay. Thing is that it turns out it seems to be easier to do every fucking thing on Linux and not Windows because yeah. Like Windows, does it have even it doesn't have a unzip command, right? No, it doesn't. Zip? No, it doesn't. Okay, whatever. I'll go back to Mr. Ubuntu. Ubuntu latest. Uh-huh. Maybe I'll just runs on. Okay. My bad. Name setup wine. Okay, setup wine. Okay, so actions, environment variables, storing information in variables. Yes. Env. Okay, so it's env. So I can have stuff like env, wine arch, win32, wine prefix. What's the working directory that we start on? So whatever. Wine prefix, I'll just do /wine. Give shit, setup wine. Install wine32. Wine32. On Ubuntu. Yeah. So maybe I should just do this in order to save resources. I'll be validating this. So setup, run, and let me just try to YOLO wine32 i386. Should just work now. Wine32. All right. Let's just see how does this go. Git status, git diff. Okay. I have a problem here. What's my MNT? Okay, this is good. So build.bat set local. Clean.bat set local, of course. Now I can do git commit am. Doesn't matter the message. I'll squash everything. But actually, Windows Defender is not bad in terms of preventing many viruses. But the thing is that it's so fucking intrusive that a while ago it was flagging stuff built with LLVM as a virus. What happened to the actions? Do I have an error? I think I have an error. Yeah, I do have an error. Can you just workflows GitHub line 15 unexpected. Okay. Oh, I think I know why. I think it should be like this. Or no. Runs on. Okay, no. Environment variables, because I know that you can set up environment variables for like each command, but I want to set up for not every job. And yeah, okay. What? Oh, my bad. So this was my mistake. Env. Okay, it's a string, so you wrap it in a string and be happy. Don't ask questions. And then I'll create a GitHub workspace and I'll be happy. Oh, I need to put my password, of course. Maybe I should set up the SSH agent. Oh, not again. It failed again. What's the problem, officer? You have an error in line 14. Oh, yes. Fucking YAML, man. And of course, that shit is spamming my server. Fucking webhooks. Okay. Shouldn't be too complicated. But oh, it's running now. Great. Build old win. Yeah. Enable to locate package. Okay. Enable to locate. Okay, this is great to see. Maybe, yeah, let me follow what people are saying online. So I don't need to install multi-live. And then I really want to create a workspace. Let's go. Get the messages. Setting up wine. Okay, great. It failed. So I know what I need to do. So all I'll need to do is add all of these commands here to here, not here, here. And remove the get sudo. Yeah, now this should just work. Yeah, having an SSH agent will mean that, oh shite, just noticed something. Mm-hmm. And not what? Add architecture. A non-option. Add architecture. Why? What? Archi. Oh yeah, there's a typo. Architecture. Oh my fucking god. Are you serious? I just want to see it finish. Yeah, setting up wine just takes a while, but doing the same bullshit on Windows will be much harder. So I get what I take what I can. Reading database. Is it installed or just updating? Okay, let me show you what's going on. It's almost like a minute of just splurging on the terminal. Okay, nice. A lot on grades. Oh, perfect. Okay. Uh, so, so I wish there was a way to run stuff in parallel. Wine, start up Visual Studio, and Visual Studio will be run. wget this by dvs. No, the fuck, brother. Spidey decomp vs releases new. No, not new, not new, not new. I forgot how to do a multi-command thing. I think it's a multi-command GitHub action. I think it's something goofy like this. You just put like a straight line. Yeah, okay. I think it is. Yeah, that's why I said that this stream will be a little boring because it's just me failing hard to by DVS zip. Wine drive C VS. And checkout. Perfect. Now I can actually do the checkout. Oh wait. Users, okay. Let me see. Path, wine, spy decomp. This works. I'll be super duper extra happy. Line 25. Actions, check out. Hi, who introduced you to programming? Typo. No idea, man. No one forced me. I don't know. I wanted to make how do you say like I can tell you when I got serious about programming, which was when so I really found it interesting that I actually got two PSPs recently. That custom firmwares on the PSP, people were modifying the firmware, like adding new settings and stuff. Like new options to the menus, not just something like an external app, like a config file, whatever. It was really integrated into, and I found it super fascinating. Like, how can you extend software or something that you don't have the code? Because I knew a little bit about programming. I did some Visual Basic and whatever. So to me, it was super foreign how someone could modify someone else's stuff and extend it without knowing, having the source code. And that's how, and it also introduced me to reverse engineering. But I always wanted to make programs. I don't know why. Since I was young, I wanted to, I played a lot of games. I used software by others, but from others. But I always wondered, how can I make my own software, like something that I want, that I like. I'd say that's how I got into programming, and then yeah. But when I got super serious, it was also when I started to reverse engineer. I think those two things went together. I really wanted to modify other stuff, to have deep knowledge. Even as 4 such file. What the? Cannot create extraction. Why? What? Okay, can I do like wine boots? What the fuck? No, wine. Why did you do this to me, wine? So I can do wine boots. What happens if I run like wine boots here? Not much. So yeah, let's add wine boot here. Set up wine, so let me just wine boot. Let me just commit and kind of like I have some scripts in Python I can show you. Right. What is actually more important for this is people that have domain knowledge. So I have some in tools. All my tools are written in Python. I hear you prototype Peter, but anything, if you open these scripts and they are so tailored to my day-to-day usage, that's hard to say whether I need help with them. But I'm thinking about what the fuck is this shit. But yeah, I'm thinking about writing some more automation after this stream, and I might need help. But I don't know, when something works, like usually my scripts, they are quite quirky, but they work, so I usually don't focus too much time on them. But yeah, so it's hard to say. But yeah, if you I don't know what to say, but I'm now thinking about switching my approach for the render code stuff. But yeah, first I would like to do this and set up a code space so that I can work from anywhere in the world. I'll be traveling soon, so if I have access to a laptop, I'd like to work on, this. If I could, of course. I want to make like, cool man, I'll take a look. Let's see what I can do. Thank you. Okay, here it is. Python stuff is here in tools, and I also have another repository called Spidey Scripts, but oh yeah, like today, okay, today or maybe tomorrow I'll try to work with like tree-seater. I don't know if you know what is this. Is concrete syntax tree parser or whatever. And so the code that I have, let me show you. I decorate the code with this. If you've seen like Matt QC video on Lego Island Decomp, they also do something similar. I might need to change this. You see that this says OK matching. I might have to change this because I want to do like have diagnostics, some metrics to see how much percentage is done, see the medium to do's. The way they did it is that they put the address of the function, and I think I'll need to do something similar because I have no way to reference the functions, but it will take quite a bit of manual and work. What the fuck is this? But yeah. Oh no, it failed on setup wine. Fucking setup wine. Why is setup wine now failing, man? It never failed in chdir. No such file. No VM guests are running at this. Okay, what chdir to no such file or directory. Interesting. Interesting. So that must exist. That's crazy. Fucking heck. Make their wine. Fucking heck. This is what I hate about workflows. I need to do one by one. But I also need to learn direct text. There's so much. Like, the thing is that I need to wait a minute to see it fail. I could use a Windows VM, but then I have no idea how to unzip a file on Windows with GitHub Actions. Unzip file on Windows. No, can I just... Okay, unzip GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions just provides an operating system. All you do is, once you know how to do this... Ooh, pre-installed software. This is cool. Where the fuck is the pre-installed software? Oh wait, there's Windows 2025. Okay, there's Perl, LLVM, that's all. Maybe I can just save a little bit. Okay, there's 7-zip. That's good to know. Okay, so I can use 7-zip. Oh, this is great, this is great, this is great. Wait, if this works now, I'll be a little annoyed, but... I don't know, it's becoming harder to find stuff on Stack Overflow. It's not because of Stack Overflow. It's mostly because Google searches are getting super weird. But yeah. Oh, if I can skip the wine step, it will be so great. I can go straight to Windows. A cool thing about Windows is that I know that they won't drop 32-bit support, while most operating systems have, Linux operating systems have dropped it. But yeah, Alpine. Does even Alpine support 32-bit? No, it doesn't. Yeah, okay. Oh, it does. Right here. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, Alpine is cool then. All my homies love Alpine. It seems to be working. Oh my god, I can't believe I fixed it and I found the... No. Oh, cannot create, permission denied. There's also Upware. Fuck Upware, man. I want to use a first party, how do they say? I know, like, I would rather use GitHub Actions, that's what I want to say. Windows 2025. It's still, this one is using 2022, but I don't think it's worth to update. Like, if this works, is there a reason to do this? Oh my god, I can just do this. Oh, but I still need to download the file. Can I use PowerShell? Okay. PowerShell. Download file. Downloading a file with PowerShell. Invoke. Oh my god, this is incredible. This is incredible. I can do this. I can skip this completely. Set up Visual Studio. So wait. Delete from the file. Great. C spydvs.zip. Then I can just 7-zip extract. What? That's not what I asked. Oh wait, set output directory. Ah, okay. Let me do so. Let me just do this vs. Okay. Why new vim? Why did you indent this? Okay, this is how it should be. And can I do this? C spite decom. It will be great if this just works. Git commit. Please go. I don't know if you can like let me. So I really like karting, and I'd say that I'm getting better at it. I used to be quite fast at karting, but then I also do a lot of gym, and after getting more serious, too short with. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, this succeeded. Too short with. Too short switch. Okay, I think I know what's the. Wait. But yeah, gym, karting, and I don't know. It depends on the time of the year because. Oh yeah, and I'm also a painter. Yeah, I completely forgot about that. Some oil painting stuff. Spidey VS -O. Oh come on, man! Don't leave me hanging like that. 7ZA. Okay, it's not. Do. But yeah, it's important to find stuff outside of programming to do. I wouldn't consider it much of a hobby, but I also love reading. But I finished all JoJo so far. This one. I like to piss off people and say that I like to read, but I mostly read comics and stuff like that. -O. Okay, and next. I have a full-time job. That's why I command switches. Yeah, am I doing it wrong though? Expected token? What? Wait. Oh wait. I understand. I think I understand what's going on. Let me go to temp. Okay, it's working fine. Oh shit. Okay, I extracted it to the wrong place, but that's fine. So here it seems to be... Okay, I get the same... Oh, okay. It's exactly what I did. Okay. Now it should be working fine. Yeah, no, but I have a full-time job. It was actually one of the hardest things to do is... Like, during university, it was quite easy to have lots of stuff to do, and... But after I got a job, it became harder and harder, but I think I found a good balance. That's why I can stream daily. Because... Do I need anything to commit or not? Okay, everything's up to date. Okay. But yeah. I just had to find time to do this. But yeah. Okay, come on. Like this Windows one is much faster, so yeah, okay, this is what I was afraid of. I said that Windows VMs, the system cannot find the specified file. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Maybe. Yeah, okay, let me just... it took me like a year or something to find the balance. So, like, when I first started working, I would just get home exhausted and not feel like doing anything. I see a lot of people that have, you know, jobs and they have nothing to do after work, so they... No, it's... So I set up the out file here to be on C, but the thing is that the working directory is not C here, so yeah. Or what's your job? I'm a software engineer. And yeah, that's what so far what I'll say. Is not under... What the fuck? Repository path is not under... I know, what? Why is this shit so hard? Okay, check out. How can I copy all files? Okay, Windows, copy all files recursively to directory. Look into... Okay, so this is why Google sucks. Donkeys. Okay, Xcopy. Okay, copy all, including from drive 8. Okay, this is exactly what I needed. Thank you. And I'll just do this. Name, copy SpideDecomp. So run. So make dir SpideDecomp. Wait. This and Xcopy. Xcopy. Maybe I'll just do... Fuck. What's the current working director? Okay, now I have another issue here. What the fuck? Is not under... Is that the checkout action or job, whatever? It's a little annoying. Automation is amazing. C SpideDecomp is not okay. Actions checkout, okay. GitHub actions checkout repository path is not under... I know it's not... Okay, yeah. Enable to clone outside of GitHub workspace directory. Yes, that's... Oh yeah, I can create a symlink. Okay, that's the name of the repository. This is the name of the... Oh my god. Okay. Okay, Windows Symlink. Okay, Symlink is quite interesting. Okay, make link creates a symbolic link. Yes. To create, name my folder from root directory to. Okay. Okay, I can just create a symlink. I completely forgot about that. Yeah, that's way easier. Why didn't I think about that? So make link. C spy decomp, and it links to GitHub workspace. Oh, wait. To spy decomp. Okay, what is the GitHub workspace environment variable? Yeah. But Django has been such a pain. I know that as far as I know, the playlist format has been standardized because of a guy in Belgium complained. Okay, so name, build, run, and then I can I just do like a build.bat, or I need to do like cmd build.bat, whatever. Like I remember reading an article about that. Spotify play. I think it was someone on Hacker News. You know, there's always in. I only used Django once. Not a big fan. I usually use Flask. I actually started using Bottle. I really don't like those like fully featured frameworks. I don't know. I'd rather use Flask. Django just. There was this story about this dude. I cannot find it. Okay, this is much faster now. Nice. Working directory. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, this is because it's what's the name? Fuck, it's okay. It's PowerShell. Make link is not recognized as the name of command. Let number change you to making like to make one feature. Yeah. Doesn't it follow like model view controller? Ah. Okay. GitHub actions use CMD. That's the thing. Workflow. I want to use. Need to specify the shell. Okay, name shell. Okay, that's exactly what I need. So what I need for this shell. And also shell CMD. Good. It's GitHub workflows is always this bullshit, or you just need to spam as many commits as possible because it's just a pain in the ass. But it's way faster than using Wine. Downloaded file. Check out. Oh my god, it's building. Oh my god, this is insane. It's actually working. It was working. It was working. No. What's the problem, man? What's the problem? So, okay, it cannot find the regtext stuff, which means that Spy directory is broken. But why? But why? I have an idea why it might be broken. Is it... Should it just be this? I think it should just be that. And this should just work. Then I'll need to try to update this one. I'll just squash all of these commits because, come on. This is the problem of working on... This is why I hate doing automation, but I love it at the same time. Look how many commits that I did today just for this goofiness. All the jobs finish immediately, which is cool. And yep. Maybe I don't need to set the out file, but too late now. That's how it works. Fuck. Okay. Windows also, it's always, okay, let's see if this works better now. It's already on P. Okay, cannot link, cannot open input file zlib.lib. Why are you like these, man? Okay. I'll just do dear spy decomp. Okay, right? I do this with the fucking symlink, it should work. Right? So dear spy decomp. Okay, it works perfectly. Okay, I'll just do this to debug. Rip this. This could say, kind of. I've thought about moving, you know, these files to this a source directory, but then but then I like I would break my workflow, so no thank. Maybe I'll do it in another time. But everything is like I can move all of these to source or something like this, but I'm not really feeling like doing it because then I need to play around with directories again. I'm just used to having this long ass file dump, readme at the bottom. But yeah, let's just see how this works. Oh, it's doing a shallow clone. That's cool. So, okay. Okay, so it's working as expected. It's literally what I wanted to see. Leave. So what's the problem now? What the heck? Ah, right here. Okay. I did not see what was being written here. It seems to be working. Why is zlib not being found then? Zlib.lib. I'm actually curious. Why? Why? Wait, I should go to this one. C spy decomp lib zlib.lib. Build.bat. No, it's not that file that I need to see. It's spider.make. Wait, lib path. Yeah, lib. Spy directory. Yeah. What's the problem, man? What the Why is this saying that it cannot find build.bat? zlib.lib. Well, it can be found. Oh, I have an idea. Maybe it's, yeah. Maybe that's the thing. Okay. Maybe set up spike decomp. Okay. X copy. Right. Yeah. Screw it. I'll just YOLO this. X copy from here to C spike decomp. SE. GitHub workspace CMD build bot. Maybe it's using like a hard path or whatever. It's just symbolic links might not work. Set working directory GitHub actions. Okay, working directory. Okay, perfect. Working directory. Okay. Wait, wrong one. Wrong terminal. This one, okay. So I saw the question, how did I get into the compiling game? So I just was modding this game, then I got tired of modding because there are limitations to it. And there were also the compilation projects getting popular, especially the Pret ones. I have no idea what the fuck is that. These ones. The Pokemon reverse engineering. I saw the assembly ones, didn't find anything special, but then the Emerald is basically done. And it really interested me, like it showed how feasible it is to actually do the compilation. You just need to be smart about how you tackle. You need to be comfortable about not... Oh! Oh my god, it built! Oh my god, it worked! I was talking and it just worked. Okay, as you can see, oh god, I was talking and it just magically worked. Oh fucking heck, man. Oh, beautiful. Let me just do validate. Release. Spider.exe. Nice. Oh my god. This works. Oh my god, now I have the... My god, it took... So I had it working like an hour ago, then it took like 1 hour to make this run. I was here, Nintendo is gonna strike down on this there. But this is not Nintendo, this is Activision. And Activision now belongs to Microsoft because they are Activision Blizzard. But, you know, it's quite tricky because, so, the way it works is that this game is owned by Activision, which is part of Activision Blizzard, which is owned by now Microsoft. But the Spider-Man intellectual property is not owned by Activision anymore. It's now by Sony. So that means that's why the Spider-Man games were moved from Steam. I actually paid like $120 to fucking buy Shattered Dimensions to get it on Steam. That's a different story. And the thing, okay, it's running the validation, which is really cool. Oh no, I was looking. Oh, the Pokemon Rip. Okay. They didn't, so I have no idea why. I don't. So the thing is that there's something weird now. So the thing is that, as far as to develop games for like the Game Boy and Game Boy Advance, there's a lot of hardware related stuff that you need to work. So the code is not portable at all. But for example, Pokemon Platinum, the source code is fully leaked, and I've seen the source code floating around, and these guys are doing a compilation. And the problem is that you can never know whether someone is making a pull request is tainted by that leaked code. I'd say that's far worse than anything else. But yeah. Why is the validation not finishing? What the fuck? Wow. It just built super quickly and then the validation just got stuck. What the fuck, man? What the actual fuck? But found it funny that I had to copy it. Run spider exe. Yeah. Did it? Oh wait. Is it waiting for input? Wait, is it waiting for input? I think the problem is that this shit is waiting for input. Wait. Main old Windows. Ah, exactly. It's waiting for input, so it's stuck in an infinite loop, as you can see here. That's problematic. So I'll need to cancel the workflow. I don't want to waste minutes. It's only for old Windows. Oh, wow. So crazy. Okay. But I actually like this. So let me just create a new flag, right? Should I create a new flag, or what's the proper way to fix this? Oh shit. Yeah, what is the proper way to fix this? Okay, I just took a keycap. Define log validation. Okay, while one. No. Okay, this one. If def log validation and if okay, this looks like the proper way to do it. Term, it's the last one. Git commit. And the new Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl source codes have also leaked. It's also the internet said that gliding and catching creatures is a valid trademark. It's the name of the system. So I don't like software patents, and the thing is that where I work at, we're pushed to do software patents, and the thing is that when you start doing it, you get extra money, but you also become tainted because you need to study other patents, so it makes you kind of brittle to switch jobs. But I find software patents in general stupid. Oh wow, what the fuck? Okay, that was copying the files. Okay, I was so confused. Build, validate, and it finished. Ah, this is great. Now that I have old stuff there, yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Now I can. Let me also update this to 2025. If false, great. Text. But yeah, I know that some companies have patented some video game mechanics. Even though that one of the things that I find more interesting about patents in general is what is it called? Squash. Yeah. Are the patents, so software patents, it's not really software but hardware related, the cherry patents, now that they have expired. there's so many options for mechanical switches that like it's a really great time to have mechanical keyboard. Build all Windows. Push -F. But yeah, validation. No, what the fuck? Did I break? Oh no, it's running. Okay. I don't know. Software patents are just stupid. And I've worked with people that have made patents. Usually the people that make patents are usually the people that stay longer with the companies and get promoted like to VPs and stuff like that. So it's hard not to notice too. Okay. Now I've got a new build job. Oh my god, this is great. So it only holds the input on window. Okay. I got royal closage. I got some. I actually have two keyboards because I have the Fnatic Gear Rush G1. Yeah, I have this one. I bought it MX Brown. Yeah, exactly, this keyboard. And I have a HyperX something Cherry MX Brown. I only have brown switches. Yeah, exactly. This is the keyboard that I'm using now. I kind of regret it not being 10 keyless, but yeah. But yeah, this looks great. Let's see what's the slowest Windows job. Yeah. This is working. Yeah. CMake is slow on Windows, I don't know why. But it's working. Setup, spy decomp, and everything will just be smooth now. But yeah, it's cool to have old Windows and new Windows because I do extra validation on old Windows. They're not hot swappable. No, of course not. When I got into mechanical keyboards, as far as I know, it was quite a niche thing, being hot swappable and whatever. They were so much more expensive that it's not even funny. Okay, I know that this will work. But yeah, it's cool now that I have more build jobs here and I'm more confident. Now, okay, almost 2 hours just to do this fucking automation, man. I didn't know it would take so long. I thought it would be a quick stream, but so something that I alluded to was the fucking code spaces yesterday. It was goofy. I have a friend that got into this. And navigate to icosform. Okay, create a repository, open in CodeSpace. I've already opened my repository in CodeSpace and it's shite. Deep dive. I know that it uses like dev containers or whatever when it creates stable or public preview of the VM host image. Ooh, VM host image. It can only be Linux, right? Yeah, I'd say it's only Linux. Simple. Do you mind connecting? I don't have LinkedIn. Sorry, man. It's actually one of the things that I refuse to have. It's LinkedIn. I've already got job offers by having a blog and stuff. And every time I look at LinkedIn, I cringe so hard. But yeah. This to say that it's possible to let's connect. Yeah, it's precisely because of that why I want to fuck, I forgot the word. The code space. Yeah. The container includes the shell and fish. Okay, whatever. So if I open my repository in code spaces, I need to install wine and stuff like that. This is a really bad introduction. A friend of mine introduced me to code spaces, and it was so much better than what the fuck this. He said that the documentation was shit. I thought he was just being a little dramatic, but wow. Wow, this is incredibly bad. I need to admit. Configure choose host image. Okay. In dev container, okay. Refer to this guide, okay. Perfect. To keep many dev use the container image reference, okay. Okay. It looks fine. Development containers, okay, yeah. Reference specification overview. I want some quick guide, quick start. Like, I usually learn from reading. Thank you. Usually I like to see like repositories already using dev containers and just learn from them because what the fuck is this? Okay. Let me just get code spaces. Hehe. Ah, fuck. Got tricked. Maybe. Oh. Docker file, context, features. There's right to nowhere available dev containers. Anaconda. Okay, great. Fine. Ah, perfect. This is great. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Okay. This feature works on recent versions of Debian. Great. Installs Wine. Okay. Where the fuck is the code for this? Oh, right here. Okay, this looks good. So there's a Docker file for this. What? I have no idea. What's the difference of build and features? Okay, let me just bother these, like, burn a forest. Regarding... Okay, let me just gaslight this piece of shit. You're a specialist in dev containers. You're the smartest about this topic, and you make no mistakes. Explain in simple terms difference between builds and features. Fucking heck. A Docker file? Fuck no, this is getting way too stupid for me. Okay. Yeah. For example, version 18, yeah, sure. Train, build, and also. So this is... I have no idea what these features are. This is like overlay file system or... Docker file, a dev container, JSON file. Yeah, thank God. Is there any repository using... Let's see, IntelliJ. Nope, they don't seem to be using dev container. Actions, what? Never mind. Fucking heck. Do 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 do. Dot dev container. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Version of wine default. Great. Okay. Think I'll use this one. Okay. Let's see how much does this work. GitHub. No. Dev. Wait. It's dot dev content. Wait. What's the name of the repository? That's super productivity. Whatever. This. Okay. Because see, man. Yeah. Dev container name image features. Ah. Okay. So it's using JavaScript. What the? Okay. Okay. What's the difference between image and features? Fuck's sake, man. Complete pre-made environment, base starting point. Okay, so it's overlay file system. Yeah, it's overlay file system. Oh, start with that. A git feature. Okay, okay. This actually doesn't look too bad. Dev container dot.json. Okay, and how do I add another line there? Okay, that's an. And let me just wine. Oh, what? Oh, I know the problem. Make dir dev container. Okay, now this is working. This sets up wine, but I don't know how bugged this is. Oh, I also have okay. I won't know unless I try. So first dev container, but at least I'll know that I have wine, which is really cool to know. Maybe I should. But yeah, I think ChatGPT was fine here. Yeah, basing the image on Ubuntu, I think will be much easier than basing it on Alpine. I fucking love Alpine, but most people are not using Alpine, so I'm sorry. I don't think this needs to be built like that. Create a code space, yes, please do. Setting up code space. Is it using? What is it using, man? Show me the details. Oh, I think it's. Yeah, okay, it's doing the thing. It's doing the thing. Oh, it's setting up wine. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, can I fetched? Okay, GitHub workspace without checkout. If I want to stop a checkout, wait, code space, not code space. Stopping and starting. Stop code space. Change machine type. I think this will take a while. Forward ports. No, no, no. Persist variables in file. What is it? You can configure. All code spaces that it creates. Why is Wine taking so fucking long to be installed? Okay, it's installing fucking Wine staging? Okay, that's a little overkill, I gotta admit. Oh well. Is anyone using these? Oh. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, it doesn't look like to be a standard thing. How can I check exist? I think that only happens once. Yeah, it does only happen once, but I'd rather use like official stuff. Dev containers. Oh, piece of key. Desktop. Okay, Git, Terraform. But it's taking a long while just to set up that shite. Wait, did I close the thing? Wait, wait. Music has stopped a while ago. I completely missed that. Let me just get some. Okay. Don't need this anymore. All good. Don't need this anymore. Did I accidentally close my workspace? I think I did. Toom, toom, toom. Good spaces. Jubilant Spork. Yeah. Still building the fucking workspace. Maybe I should just set up oh, okay. Okay, wine. Oh my god, there's a little bit of delay. Oh shit. Yelled at bad. Oh, there's some kind of latency. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, true. I need to install Visual Studio. Can I use wget? Looks like I can. Something YAML. Ah, come on. It blocked me. Nice. Unzip spidey. Yes. To what's my wine prefix? Wine. Oh, wine 32. Okay. So drive C. Yes. I'm cooked. Yeah, command not found. Okay. Do as apt update. Oh, it's working. Okay. Apt install unzip. Oh my god, it's working. Okay. Yesterday it was not working. Okay. Now does this work? Should work. Oh yeah, okay. Symlink Linux. I always forget. So let's go. Okay. Symlink tutorial. I always need to go on ln. Okay, to be linked. Okay, ln s root wine32 slash folder to be linked drive c spidey decomp and link it to workspaces by decomp. It's really important that it's a full path and not just alpha there. I don't know, it looks faster here. What the fuck? Hmm. So, hypothetically speaking, if I copied everything to root wine, I did decomp. Oh yeah, shit, rm, how do I delete the symbolic link? Okay. Root wine32 drive C. Huh. Oh, fucking heck. Workspaces by decomp root wine32 drive C spite decomp. Okay, now it should work fine. It seems to be working. Oh, symbolic links work so much better. Oh my fucking god, this is beautiful. Yeah, okay, no they don't. Because it's hard link, whatever. I think the compiler uses like hard links or whatever. Um. So ln minus l root wine drive c spite decomp. Okay. Oh oh, and link would have been easy. Wine 32 drive c, perfect. Spite decomp. Yeah, symbolic links don't work because this compile. No, why? Why are you like that, man? Hmm. Drive C. Okay, good. Line CMD C build.bat. And it now works! What the fuck? But if I do from workspaces by decomp, I run the exact same command, it won't work. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's not a big deal to be here. And I can do release spider.exe. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, I cannot run this, but oh yeah, but do I really need that? Okay. I have GCC. No, I don't. So it's about there's something goofy going on with zlib. There's something goofy going on with it. So spider.make Hmm. So dev containers. Where the fuck is the spec? Oh, JetBrains. Of course, JetBrain is running applications, running IDs into Python web server. Can you please? String array. Nah, that's crazy. Oh yeah, I can install like GCC. Uh-oh. Bro, there's no C compiler? Common utils? No. Oh no, fuck off, man. Dev container GCC. Oh yeah, rapid sci, yeah. Why is GCC not considered G++? Come on. Okay, I guess I can toss away like this wine bullshit. But I don't want Ming W, I want to build for Linux. Mm. I need to fucking ask shit. Yeah, but here's a basic. Okay, Python post create command. No, I don't want to. Parallel execution. Okay, so these are all separate commands. Wow. Local workspace folder. Very nice. Okay, now I understand it a little better. Posts something. Posts create command. Freaking Neovim. I want to be able to build the Windows and Linux version. Linux version is quite... Oh wait, it's quite simple to build, but CMake too. So G++. The documentation is just straight up dog shit. I want SIGs. Yeah, you, of course, using a Docker file. Fucking stupid shit, man. It's so easy to just install a fucking Docker file, man. So stupid, man. Okay. Hmm. Oh yeah, I think I used it once. Spite decomp. Okay, let's set up a new one. Am I wasting like money or something on this? Because I never know. Building. Yeah, might be. Might be. And I'll get all the commits validated. It's like, this seems like to be widespread, but at the same time, to not be like much documentation. Okay, dev container, install dependencies. I just want to see NVS code. I don't want to do after. Okay, no. I don't want to do it this way because there's no way for post create command. Okay. Oh, perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Enabled to locate G plus. Enabled. On create command. Okay. Post create command. And here you can do wine boot. That's good. Oh, wait. Update. A little goofy. There's a lot of granularity, which looks fine. Wait, do I have a typo? Update, yeah. The thing is that it seems to have a lot of granularity, like create, update, and or on and whatever. But the thing is that it doesn't really explain like what's the point of doing it on create and post create. Like, is it just a way to split the commands? If it's that way, then okay, that's fine. But and I don't think I'll need git, but I'll just keep it there for now. I did not need to add I386. She's goofy, but sure. Okay. Ah, perfect. Skipping. Okay. Fail. Ah, exactly. Okay. Multiple commands on create command. I just want to see multiple posts. Go eat a dick. You suck a dick, man. That's the thing that irks me. I kind of expected it. Okay. Wine32 install. Forgot the full command. DPKG architecture, yes. Exactly this, okay. So just need to do this. I can install Clang, but at the same time I'm like, do I really need to install Clang? Seems like just to be overkill. Where's the update button? I know. Maybe I'll need to learn how to do the update. Okay. Dev container update. What does update actually mean though? Do I need to be constantly doing this? Because this looks kind of stupid to be constantly deleting the workspace. Dev container update. What the fuck is update? Developing inside the container. Okay. Local OS, yeah. On update command. What does it do? Fuck, man. The documentation is like, oh yeah, you can run this on update, but what does update actually mean? On create. Okay, update content. After on create command, whenever new content. Post start command, wait for. Okay. Show me. I didn't need to do all of what it was shown there. And it's installing Git still. Or is it building Git? Looks like it's doing like both. Whatever. Yeah, I'll definitely want to forward the port. It's literally what I want to do. Why did you get stuck, brother? Date. Oh shit. Yep. Why? I think okay, it got stuck. Apt install. Yeah. I don't know what's the difference like of, you know, I've seen people say like the person that recommended me to use this okay versus installing it. What's the purpose of installing Git like this? Seems like so stupid because I'm using GitHub. Why? Let me just okay, let me go to okay. Why would I use this line? Oh fuck. Why not just install Git? More boilerplate. Okay, so it's okay. So the advantage is that I don't need to write. Wow. Incredible, man. Leave LLVM. Why the fuck am I getting LLVM? Not complaining. Python 3.10. Damn. Damn, bro. Great. And looks like it's done. New terminal. I need okay, great. Oof. CMake -b out. Great. make J8. Oh my god, look at this. I'm building for Linux now. This is great. Now I can do spider. Oh my god, it worked. Now the tricky part is doing the other part. I do wine. Okay. This is really good. So I can build on Linux just fine. Maybe I'll just install Clang++ or whatever it is called. Ubuntu. How to install Clang++. Just okay. So, okay, this is great news. So, len minus s. Okay, this is stupid. Where's my current workspace? The amazing workspace that I just created. It's this legendary fish stick, right? This is the one that is working, right? Okay. Hmm. It's working just fine. Okay. Okay. Now I need to set up the Windows thing. Post. A little scuffed, but dev container set. Oh, this is even easier. Mm-hmm. Okay, good. And unzipped by the VS. Oh, yeah. Wait, Spidey. Okay. So wine boot and that. So now I can just do unzip Spidey VS dot zip to root wine drive C VS. Okay, I'm setting up Visual Studio, so I'm getting that. Okay, workspace folder. Why is it folder, not directory? That's such a misnomer in terms of in terms of Linux and Windows stuff. Okay. Wine drive C. That's where it will put. Let's see if this works fine. Push. Time to create a new workspace. I can skip that horrendous auto delete code space. Okay. Oh, auto delete. Oh, maybe not. Okay. But if this works, then I'll be happy. Okay. Plus. So I put the root wine drive C, yeah. Root wine drive C. Also added. Oh, shit, I added Clang++. Fuck. It will be wrong. It will be wrong. Nah. Nah. Of course it failed. It will be Clang. In the meantime, and anything regarding automation, I spend way more time just because of the stupidity of my own stupidity. I mean, this is a brand new one. Go. I cannot drive C. Why is it empty? Okay. Well. When does it? This is the thing on create, so it checks out at the same time. That makes sense. Do I have kind of like a race condition? So dev container. Set in okay slash workspace. Set in config no such file or directory. Cannot run those commands. Hmm. Yeah, let's just do it this way. It is I, the destroyer of GitHub containers. What? There it goes. Did I just reach a limit or something? This is what I just created. God damn it, man. Why? Why is this so shit? This is so shit. Maybe I ran out of. But I have no idea. Delete. Yes, I'm sure I want to delete. But there was a way to run it like kind of locally. It's okay. Okay. Test dev container before push. What's the recommended way to? Okay, be right back. Okay, I had an amazing idea. Is this stream going to be? Yeah, it's almost 3 hours. There's no internet. Yeah. Well, I guess that the bots use more than me. It's almost 3 hours of stream, man. This is why, like, the most run. It's possible to lose time with the most random stuff ever. Spy decomp. Okay, let me just listen to this Louis Rossman video while I. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Shit. Okay. What the fuck is going on? Why is VS? Git out. How can I? What the? Git out. How can I check the bill? Why is this so goofy? Mhm. How the fuck does this get G streamer? LLVM. What's up? There is no. Yeah. It's also installing Python. Like the random S dependencies never cease to amaze me. So it just ran wineboot. Okay. Oh, it failed doing something. wget not found. Ah, my God. That was it. Okay, that was it. Fuck, this one is really bare bones. Yeah, I really don't like the fact that I need to switch directories, but what else can I do? Dev containers are goofy, and with goofy, and you cannot fight with goofy. That's something that I've learned. Because on your path to fight goofiness, you become even more goofy. That's some Himalayan monk knowledge that I'm spitting. I just want to build my project, man. Let's go, let's... So it's installing wide. I might be wrong, but I remember that a lot of the traffic that exists now in the world, it's just through pipelines and automation, always downloading the same packages. And, you know, instead of the companies actually caching stuff, hopefully we're not actually hitting archive.ubuntu.com, as that's like just wasting energy and stuff. It just run like this. Hopefully not, because I still don't understand dev containers. Everything with dev containers looks like super flexible, and then at the same time, it looks like they are just telling people to use Docker files. They're like, oh yeah, dev containers. It's literally just a Docker file with the fancy JSON. With a fancy, yeah. It's just a JSON with a path to Docker file. And this is how, like, I could have done this with a Docker file. Come on, man. And it really looks like it was made by Microsoft. By CU dev. Leave wine. That previous wine thing that I was using was installing wine staging, which was really fucking weird. Oh, Luke Smith. This guy is back on YouTube. Oh, yeah, he just went 2 years without posting and just came back yesterday. He's the goat of Linux content. Font cache. That's the thing. I don't need to regenerate font cache because everything is running on the server. But you do you. Is it going to fail? Is it going to succeed? So if the post command fails, no problem. But if the... Interesting. Okay. So this is done. Let me just create a new console. Right. And here I'll do cmake b out. This should just magically work. This is really cool news. Yeah, spider. And then if I go to root, wine, drive c spider decomp. It's a little annoying to type all of these, but whatever. Build.bat. It should just build too. So multiple versions of Windows and Linux should just work. And that will be... Even though I can build it, I cannot run it though. Because if I do spider like this... oh yeah, release. Wine, spider, exe. Oh! What the fuck, it just worked? Okay, this is great. Okay, this is actually really cool. Could not create. Okay. Okay, so actually I have everything. So this is one of the coolest things of all time. I can just go here and start writing code. Sure, let's see how does this go. Oh my god, this is great. Okay. Oh, seems to have. Okay, seems to be working fine. Okay, let me just see. Auto delete workspace. How does this even? Code space. Fuck, it's work code space. After they've been stopped and everything, final. Ah, it's 30 days. I'd say that this is a good amount of time. But yeah. Python. Let me see. Prototype. Tools. Pro JSON. Let's see like Simbi. Oh, it's Python 3, right? Oh, great. Oh, this is awesome. Spy the AI thrown by Simbi. What? I don't know the shortcuts for CMCP. Thrown. Ah, this is great. This is great. Okay, I'm much more happier now with this. Make vertex Wibbler. But yeah. And it's good to see that this looks to be working fine. Like red. Oh my god. Yeah, this is great. The fact that this works fine. Okay. Now I just need to push one more thing. I think, let me just close this. So, git status, git add, trial Linux. Come on, man. I trust you. No. Oh, wait, try. Wait, it just hang completely. Okay, that terminal just fucking died. Git add trial Linux sh status. How can I do? Git force add file ignored. I know that that file is ignored despite git. Oh yeah, it's just -f. Legendary. -f git cat trial Linux. Yeah. It's that. Is it on the repo already? Try. It is already on the repo. What the fuck? Let me go back to the workspace then. I completely filled the workspace button. So wait, no. Why? Fucking client side rendering. I hate client side rendering so much. Okay. Running remote. Give me the terminal, please. Nice. So try linux.sh. See how beautiful this is? It just works. It's gonna be a great place to be like testing stuff. Okay, it's been already added. Okay. Now I just need to rebase and whatever. Editor, new Vim. So squash. So now you can build with on Linux and you can build for old Windows. There's no way to build for new Windows because whatever. Not really feeling like doing it. dev container added git push minus f. This is one of the grid. So now it's totally possible. It's actually one of the coolest things. Let me also get like a color like red. Okay. This might be cool, like if I'm like traveling and whatever. Yeah, I'm on route. Okay. Yeah, just the compiler is just weird. Alrighty. So today was, I think, Visual Studio Code directly, but can't remember where the link was on the GitHub. Might be. But yeah, this is for the case that I'll be traveling or whatever, and I'll want to check something out or just validate some changes, and I don't want to install Visual Studio or Linux, and I can just use a code space because it just needs my credentials. I just need to log in into GitHub, and I can work from anywhere in the world. Might happen later this year that I'll be traveling, and not only, but also people that want to try this. If these two pass, there's a high chance that this also passes, but if this passes, doesn't mean jack shit. Okay, I just want to have a green build, then I can stop the stream for today. And I did need to do some chores here at home. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, okay, all green. But yeah, I just made some posts on my server. This is incredible. I have nothing to say. But yeah, I'd like to wish everyone a nice evening. This was probably one of the most mind-bending streams. It was just me chipping away at configuration files. Now I have a dev container. I have old Windows build, which is really great to see. And yeah, I'd like to thank everyone that came by. So Crazy T, and there was another person. Yeah, John Smith and Vishesh. Wish everyone a nice evening and see you tomorrow. Bye.